ViewSonic, the heart of your system.
I'm here on the InWin stand at CES 2019. We've quickly stopped by to take a look at their new case, the 928, which has been specifically designed to hold the new Asus Dominus motherboard. It is a bit of a beast, so obviously it needs a really big case, and InWin have done just that. It is an enormous motherboard that's going to house the new Intel processor, so as you can imagine, it needs a case to fit it in. Actually, in this case, it does look like a reasonably sized motherboard. They've also created the case so it does house the two power supplies you're going to need to power the thing. They are situated around the back. It's also got space in the top for plenty of cooling. You can have two 240mm radiators, and you've got space underneath the bottom as well for plenty of storage as well. So price and availability, it's going to be available in Q2, and we're looking at $900, so it is definitely up there in price. But if you're buying a motherboard and processor that's going to go in this case, then $900, I guess, is just sort of the tip of the iceberg of what you're going to end up spending eventually. And this is part of our coverage for CES 2019 on the InWin stand.